Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Hope everybody is doing good. Before I get started, can you give me a thumbs up on my videos, please? Please. That way I could get more into the analytics. Um, and I could start to grow my channel a little bit more and, get more views on my videos. So if you can please help me do that. I do put a lot of work into my videos to put these together for you, the ones that do appreciate it. I thank you, but we're back with another sun basket. My daughter orders these sun baskets, and it was supposed to come yesterday, and it did not, and it came today. I don't even know what time it came because they didn't even ring the doorbell. They just sat it outside. So let me open it up and show y'all what's in there, and then I could put her food away. Be right back. Show y'all how it comes. It does still seem to be cold. It is cool outside in the mornings here, but they put it in this really recyclable thick isolation. I'm thinking it's some type of cold in here because the stuff is cold. But yeah, all of the stuff is still really cold. So she got in here some burnt almond brittle. And she doesn't do, let me turn this light off. She doesn't eat meat. She just does fish and vegetables. So she's kind of like pescatarian, however you say it. So yeah, she got this brittle in here. And for each bag, they put everything that you need for each recipe in the bags. So I don't know why they didn't put the eggplant in the bag, but spicy maple eggplant with Yuba noodles and mushrooms. And you do get to pick your your bags. This mushroom feels kind of squishy. I thought they were supposed, this eggplant, I thought they were supposed to be hard. So we got that. Ooh, this one is heavy. It's a sweet potato and black bean chili with avocado. And I will open up all of these to show you. So each of these bags is for her lunch and dinner. She didn't need to do breakfast. So each of these recipes will serve 2 servings. I don't know about 2 people, but if you eat a lot, 1. This will only be 1 meal for you. If you don't eat a lot, it'll be 2 meals for you, 2 servings. So this is a superfood stir fry with bok choy, black rice, and fried eggs. And then that's it. So I'm gonna open these up and I'll be right back. So I want to show you, they have these ice packs that are down in here under this board, which keeps it cold. And these noodles was like this on the ice pack. Then it was covered like that. So I guess that's what keeps everything cool. And then with this insulation in here. I'm gonna say these ice packs, these are pretty good. Be back. Okay, so here we go. Everything is set up. So the first bag is the sweet potato and black bean chili with avocado. So they got your avocado, your chili spice, your organic cooked black beans, your diced tomatoes, your onion that you need, your avocado, which he don't look right. You got your little sweet potato. Cilantro is all organic for the most part. They got your little vegetable broth that you need. And I think that goes with that. And then they send you a card for your recipe. It has how to cook it step by step on the inside. It has your macros right here. And how long it may take you to cook it and put it all together. So, and the servings right here. So the next one is the spicy maple eggplant with Yuba noodles and mushrooms. All produce is organic unless noted. So you got your eggplant right here. She got her maple paste or base right there. She has some organic cremini mushrooms. She got her white rice. She got the little peppercorns to go in it. She got her scallions or green onion. And then she has the organic spicy Yuba noodles. And what's good is that on the Yuba noodles, they have the nutrition facts on here, as well as what's in here. So it's gluten-free and vegan. And this is what the noodles look like. And then she has the card, the card to show you step by step how to cook everything. It says 30 to 45 minutes to, I guess, do your cutting, chopping, and cooking. So that is for that. And then the last one is the Superfood stir fry with bok choy, black rice, and fried eggs. So you got your organic radicchio, a lemon, organic carrot, organic scallions or green onions, organic baby bok choy. Not sure if the lemon is organic, but you can buy organic lemons. She got her 2 little eggs, pasture raised. That's what you want when you're buying eggs. Pasture raised or organic and pasture raised. Not cage free and not regular. You want pasture raised. And organic pasture raised would be even better. But they gave her 2 little eggs. She got her roasted cashews. She got her stir fry sauce right here. And her black rice. I've never seen black rice other than wild rice. And this doesn't say wild rice. So I'm going to have to taste a little bit of that. And then she has her card right here with the step by step cooking directions. This is how I guess it's supposed to look. Depending on how professional looking you make it. It's gluten-free, vegetarian, Mediterranean, dairy-free, soy-free, 30 to 45 minutes, 16 calories. So you got that. And it also tells you, I guess, the macros for each of the ingredients. Black rice, also forbidden black rice, was once reserved exclusively for Chinese nobility. Huh. I never had black rice before. I do have to taste it. Taste a little bit of her stuff. And so, yeah, this a little bit. This is way high in carbs. And this is what the inside of each card would look like. You know, for each of your ingredients that you have here. And again, it gives you step by step of how to put it all together and how to cook it and all of that stuff. So it's a pretty good box. I tried some of that sauce last night and it was pretty good. I mixed it with some turkey. What was left in the pan after my son ate all the shrimp out of it. But this is the sun basket. And this is 2 servings of lunch and dinner thing. She said that she probably won't do it after this week or next week because they don't have a whole lot of options. So I guess, you know, if you don't want to keep recycling the same meals, you know, you move on to something else. I showed y'all this little brittle that she got. I guess she wanted to try a little snack. Right here. So that's it. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all give me that thumbs up on my video. Please share it out. Subscribe if you're not. Click that notification bell. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye.